the communication between different types of scientists is not always unproblematic.
Yeah, so I remember that day that I wasn't there at NEMO, but I remember getting all these calls and it wasn't working.
At one point in time it was really almost disastrous.
And I honestly think that it has taken us 8 months to communicate that it wasn't clear.
May have been unstructured, but that was also because we didn't know exactly what to expect.
We followed a research process over the course of 8 months to discover that multidisciplinary research isn't always that easy.
So it's good to see that everybody's taking their responsibilities and it's interesting to learn from them. But it's really also kind of coexisting along each other.
But how complicated is it really? I think, yeah, it's really, I'm really happy and positively surprised about those results.